Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's gonna be a hair tutorial video. I'm gonna be showing you three really simple hairstyles that I would do if you're pressed for time. So I feel like I've been talking a lot lately about the different ways you can get ready really fast if you don't have any time, from hair to makeup to getting dressed. And so I thought this was a perfect video to make to show you guys some of the hairstyles that I'm actually talking about. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Naomi Boyer. If you like what you see so far and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Hit that red subscribe button down below as well as the notification bell so you can get notified every time I put out a new video. I have a bunch of videos like this one. Follow me on Instagram. I am just Naomi Boyer, and let's get into the video. Alright guys, so this video was sponsored by It's a 10 Hair Care. Now I'm going to be using all their products to show you how to get these easy on the go hairstyles. Now what I love about these products is that usually I'll need a bunch of different products to get different things that I need when it comes to maybe shine or anti-frizz or smoothing. But It's a 10 products always has 10 benefits in one bottle, so you're not having to reach for so many different things. So they're all multifunctional, they're cruelty-free, they're all healthy ingredients, salon quality with salon formulas. They provide instant miracle results for healthy shiny hair, for hydration and healthy movement as well. So I'm going to start off with hair down hairstyles. So I am working with semi-damp hair. So the first product I'm going to be using for this hairstyle is the It's a 10 Miracle Blow Dry Volumizer, and the bottle just looks like this. So I'm going to spray these all on my roots. So this hairstyle is good for if you just got out of the shower, but you can also work with overnight hair, day-old hair. If you're working with really wet hair and you want to cut down drying time and you want silky, shiny, smooth hair, then you can spray on this Silk Express Miracle Silk Leave-In. Just looks like that. This will definitely help you just kind of like make the blow drying process easy. So for this first hairstyle, like I mentioned, I'm just gonna focus on the front parts of the hair because we don't have time for the rest of the hair. But if you do have time for the rest of the hair, you can do what you do to the front to the rest of them in big chunks. Lucky for us, lived-in hair is pretty in right now, so we can kind of get away with leaving the rest of the hair to do its thing, but don't worry because we have product for that. So we've already sprayed the volumizing spray, and then I'm just gonna add this Potion 10 Miracle Styling Potion. It's just a blue bottle that looks like this. Now I'm just gonna go all over my hair with this thing, and this one smells really good. Again, we're just gonna focus on the front of the hair, but I'm still gonna put it, you know, kind of everywhere. This is to keep the style, whatever we're gonna do. All right, so I'm gonna take my round brush. This kind of has like a large barrel. Now you can use any round brush that you have, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the front parts of the hair in bigger sections and just twirl it with my hand like that. Just kind of move your hand like that, and then you're just gonna do it really fast. It doesn't have to be anything perfect. Again, this is gonna be a messy, PC, lived-in hairstyle. Okay, so I have my blow dryer, and let's go. Alright, so now we have some movement. The rest of my hair is still a little bit damp. Now if you have more time, you can continue that movement all throughout the hair. But I'm gonna just pretend that we don't have time. Now we're just gonna go and work with this. And then the rest of the hair we're gonna rough dry. But also I'm just gonna add volume to the parts where we sprayed that volumizing spray. So I'm gonna take a section of my hair, throw it the opposite direction, and blow dry. Alright, so we added some volume to this side, and it also dried up the top root part of the hair. Now I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. Alright, so the front part of our hair looks nice. We rough dried the rest of the hair and added some volume to the top. So for the last part of this hairstyle, I'm going to take this It's a 10 Miracle Texture Fiber. This just looks like that, and what I like about this product is that it's pretty thick and it's kind of like a pomade. It's really going to give you that PC goodness that we want. So I'm just going to apply this towards the ends of my hair. It kind of looks like you jumped out of the ocean and your hair dried. So here's your PC easy 5 to 10 minutes or less look. For the second look, it's just going to be a simple mid to low shaft pony, depending on where you like your ponytail to sit. I like mine more mid shaft, so if you like yours lower, you can do it lower. So I'm gonna leave my hair parted in the middle. You can part it on the side or whatever way you like to part it. For this pony, you just need a hair tie. Now, if you have thin hair and you want to add more volume, you can use a teasing brush. My hair is pretty thick. I usually don't need this. In case you do, this is how I would tease it. I would just take the top section of the hair and tease the section underneath it. Just like that. Do the same thing to the other side. I usually like to tease from the bottom. Now, really simple, I'm just going to push all my hair back and I'm just simply going to take it like that. Now this is going to be volume focused, so I'm gonna fix the back quickly like that with my fingers. This again does not have to be perfect. Remember, we're pressed for time. We're using our fingers for a lot of this. Just really easy, simple, just like that. Now I'm just gonna tie my ponytail. Okay, now what I like to do to the back when I ponytail my hair to add volume is I pull the top part of the hair tie down like that, push the bottom up, and then pull half of the section of the hair and tighten it. So when I do that, it kind of adds volume to the back. And now I'm just going to quickly pull some pieces up just to add some volume. Just pick out the pieces that you want, that you think need to stick out more, where you want to add more volume. You can do that by just pulling up with your fingers, or like me, I just like to pick pieces up and out. And that's pretty much how I do my quick pony. As you can see, I have a ton of flyaways. Again, that's what this Miracle Texture Fiber is good for. So I'm just going to take some more of that to control my flyaways. You can kind of make this a really slick low pony if you like that style. All right, here it is. Really quick, really easy mid to low shaft pony with volume. Okay, so for the third look, it's a simple low bun. Now, I like doing a low bun when you really don't have any time. You just throw your hair up in a pony. I'm gonna leave my hair up like it is with it parted down the middle. I'm gonna leave what I have in there already, and then I'm just going to create a bun. I just do it really simply, just normally like how everyone in the world does a bun. And I like leaving it in a pony like I did, because I like it to be tight. I'm just gonna grab my other hair tie and I'm just going to tie it in place like so. Now if you have any loose ends, you can take a bobby pin, or you can just grab the pony hair tie and just tuck it under. So here is my low pony. Now I really like this sleek look, so if you want to add more product to your hair, you can. I'm just going to take some more of the texture fiber again and clean up some of the sides, because for this particular look, I like it to be more sleek. This is really nice for like a date night, a night out. The great thing about it is that it's really easy to do, but it still looks really elegant. And I think it really helps when you wear nice earrings. It just kind of dresses up the look as well and takes away from the fact that you have such a simple hairstyle. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. Really quickly, I just wanted to mention again some of the things that I used for this video. It's a 10 Miracle Texture Fiber. I use this a lot to kind of tame my flyaways and also to piece out my hair. And then you guys saw me using this Miracle Styling Potion as well. This one I used before I blow dried my hair so that it could help me with my styling. And then I quickly mentioned this Silk Express Miracle Silk Leave-In for post-shower wet hair that you can spray onto your hair for cutting down drying time, shine, and silkiness. And then the Miracle Blow Dry Volumizer is what really helped give my hair all that volume at the top. And I didn't mention this one, but something that I always need, that you guys always hear me talk about, is a hair mask. So this one's a Miracle hair mask, looks just like that. This one is going to detangle, restore balance, restore elasticity, soften, smoothen, defrizz, and much, much more. So as always, you can check out my It's a 10 products, and I have a discount code. I will link all of that in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, leave me a comment down below. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell. Follow me on social media. I'm Naomi Boyer on Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video.